So this exercise is related to the circuit question, and the answer key is also attached, like each question at the end of each question. You will find the answers as well. So figure 8.1 shows electrical circuit. The resistor has a resistance of 4 ohm. The reading on the voltmeter. So for electricity, the most important thing is memorizing the formula. That's the most important thing. Without the formula, you cannot solve a question. So resistor has a resistance. So we have the resistance and the voltage is 3. How we can relate voltage, resistance and current? What's a formula which relate voltage, resistance and current? Anyone remembers? The formula which relate the voltage, resistance and current. Yeah, that's right. So I is equals to, basically I is equals to R over V, or V, its resistance is a ratio between voltage and current. So R is equals to V over I, or V is equals to IR. That's the main formula for electricity, which relate the voltage, resistance and current with each other. So we just divide, we have the resistance, which is 4, and we have the voltage. So calculate the formulas. R is equals to V over I. So we need the current. So current is voltage divided by resistance. It's just simple. Or you can substitute the values first and then cross multiply. Resistance is equals to 4. Voltage is 3 and I. This is divided. Other side will be multiplied. So 4I is equals to 3, or I is equals to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is equals to 0.75. And the unit of the current is ampere. So we write A. Figure 8.2 shows same circuit with one component reversed, like we changed the component. As you can see, what is this component? This is a diode. So when the current entered from the side of the plate, the diode was allowing that current to pass and it was working. But if we change the diode, the position, then it does not allow the current to flow. As it blocked the current, what will the reading on the ammeter? The ammeter will show 0 reading. The question is, state the reading on the voltmeter and explain your answer. So what will be the reading on the voltmeter? It will be 0. And why? Because diode does not allow the current to flow through it. So answer here is 0. And explanation, because the diode does not allow current to flow in opposite direction, or diode only allow the current to flow in one direction. That's why. So first it was allowing, if you reverse, then it does not allow. The circuit you can see here, this is about the truth table of a logic gates. So state the name of this logic gate. What is this logic gate? The symbol resembling
AND gate.
So this is an AND gate. Then a student design the circuits as shown. Complete the truth table. So these are the NOR gates. How the NOR gates work? It is addition, because OR means first addition and then invert. So if A is 0, B is 0. So 0 plus 0, that is 0, then passes to inverter, make it 1. And same thing, this 0 from here and 0 from here. So 0 plus 0 is 0, passes to inverter, make 1. So this, and 1 plus 1 is 1, passes to inverter, make it 0. So C will be 1, D will be 1, and E will be 0. So by this way, we have to complete the truth table. For different inputs, we have to complete the truth table. A single logic gate can be used to produce E with input A and B. So when we work out the value for the E, yeah, both lines are going through both gates. That's right. Like A is going in the first, A is going to the second. B is going to the first, B is going to the second. So when we work out, the final answer will be, this will be 0, 1, 1, and 1. 1. So when both inputs are 0, output is 0. If one of the input is 1, output is 1. Both inputs are 1, output is 1. So when we compare inputs with the final output, so it appears like an OR gate. So what we can do, we can replace this by an OR gate. This is the answer key. So this was one question from electricity. Next session, I'll discuss another from this.